part 2 of my spring maintenance on the mower. We're going to change the fuel filter. We're going with the Arnold fuel filter, universal. So 1/4 ID or 5/16 internal dimensions fuel line right here. Fits most Cub Cadet, Troy Craftsman, John Deere, Husqvarna, rider turn, zero turn riding mowers. It works on these. As you see this, that's what's there. I got these on clearance at the end of the year at Walmart. You hit their clearance section in the lawn and garden, you can always find some deals. But when I can't and haven't planned ahead enough, these are what I use. They're Wellskin 6-pack, ends of the fuel pump, and I have them on my Ferris right there, and they work fine. Okay, be careful when you order fuel filters online. A lot of times they'll come, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pause it. They will scam you out. They will show a picture of this style fuel filter. When they send it, you're like, oh, this will still work. Problem is, see how there's no little nipple on the ends? They leak. Now maybe if you got some kind of system that super clamps on, you're good, but these don't. This is what you need. That nipple is what keeps it in there and keeps the fuel. So these will just sit there and pour fuel. Okay? If you need a cheap one, I think they're about the same anyway. So don't buy these made in China. These don't say made in China. Don't matter. But these, for some reason, don't have nipples. Nobody likes something without nipples. What a waste. Alright, so easy thing is, this is an Exmark, so you got a fuel shutoff. That's nice. On the Ferris, you don't, and I'll show you how to do that. You'll need your vice grip on those, but on this, you will not. Get some Channellocks or needle nose, whichever works better for you. Take that there. And then you're going to grab the Channellock to help you wiggle the filter out. Because of that low nipple we're talking about, it makes it a little hard to slip. Why am I having difficulties here? I don't know. I always have difficulties. Okay, hold that bad boy up like that. As you can see, it is definitely filthy. Got these Channellocks. It's all in one tool for this. I'll put a link to Arnold ones if I can find them, but they're going to be more online. Like I said, your best bet is hitting that Walmart lawn and garden section at the end of the year for clearance. And they don't do it every year either. It's weird. Some years they hook you up and come down like half or less, right? Other times they never go on clearance. Actually, I don't think I found any this year. Uh-oh. So I got a fuel line break right there. You see it, y'all? So I'm going to cut this. And luckily, there's enough extra hose. So I'll be all right. See that leak right there? It came out, didn't it? Just now, fuel. Right there. Okay? So I'm going to cut this. If not, you'll end up needing to get some.
I think we have extra fuel.
Do I?
I think so.
We're going to pause it real quick. Ready? Okay. Like I said, 1/4 inch line or 5/16 in case yours rips like this one just did. So what I'm going to do is cut right past it. Okay? You're getting fuel anyway. Okay? And hopefully this is just enough slack. See this? Yeah, it's going to be enough. If not, you need to get a new piece of hose. I actually have some, but I have the tough thing. I'm going to use it though without it if I don't have to. So you want to get this out and see it flow. It's almost always smaller end to bigger end, but some brands aren't. So make sure you check where the flow arrow goes, okay? Just trying to help you out before the problem. Now these have double ridges. See? The Arnold's have nipple.
Okay.
The brand I buy doesn't. It has less, so it doesn't fight you as bad. That's kind of how it ripped. If you saw, it ripped from this and being old rubber that works outside all day. Okay, that's not it enough. Let me take my Channellocks. We're going to lightly go like this. Don't squeeze too hard, you'll add more holes to your rubber. Ain't nobody need that mess. That's a whole nother mess you don't want to mess with. Okay. Like I said, you see I got enough slack, so we're okay. I'm gonna fix that one too. There. grab this here. Sometimes when it's all messed up, you know, you just gotta spit on it. You know? This is advice for other parts of your life as well, okay? Help you out. Sometimes when it's tight, you just gotta spit on it. All right, we're gonna take 2 seconds here. You don't need to sit and watch me. This is what I'm doing. I'm just squeezing, turning. Come back in a minute once we get it on. All right, there. So we got it on. I'm having a little trouble. I'm gonna keep messing with it, but I got enough where it's in between the two nipples. Like I said, cut this off if you need to. This filter was actually still good in filtering. I'm gonna show you, but I replaced it every year just to be safe. Because why not, right? The outside's gross, like, wait, but that's sun fade and fuel fade. But the filter was still working. The fuel coming out is clear and drained and coming through. So, is that the whole video? Again? Okay, that was another quick one. Arnold FF125A. Okay, down the bottom there. Works good. Or this pack I'm going to put on here, they work good too. They actually be less trouble to put in because they only have one nipple. But you know what? Who wants somebody with just one? Oh, actually 4 nipples. So I like to keep them with the 2. Just, you know, normal. Unless they're from Mars. Then 4 nipples is okay. All right, so that's it. Please help me by feeding them links below. You know, just a little bit. Same price you're gonna get, maybe the best deal you can get. I get a few cents. You help me, help you, help me. Please like, subscribe. Every little bit helps during these times. And as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye bye.